Hey all, welcome to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. My name is Kurt. Today we're going to be mixing up the Improved Whiskey Cocktail. The Improved Whiskey Cocktail came along back in the late 1800s, a long time ago. Myself, I came across this cocktail only several weeks ago and I liked it so much that I wanted to share it with you. Hopefully you'll give it a try and you will think the same and you will love it too. If you're new to the channel, if you take a moment, hit that subscribe button, that would be greatly appreciated. Once you've done that, hit the notification bell, and that way you won't miss a single episode of the show. All right, let's get started building the Improved Whiskey Cocktail. The first thing that I want to do is just prep the glass. I have a little bit of absinthe here. We're just going to give this glass an absinthe wash. I do not have one of those handy dandy atomizer spray bottles. If you do, that would be great. If you don't, just do what I did here. Pour a little bit of absinthe into the glass and then just roll that absinthe around on the inner walls of this single rocks glass until it's nicely coated. Once you've done that, all you have to do, discard the rest. So the glass is ready to go. So we'll get back to the actual ingredients of the cocktail. I'm going to start out with 2 dashes of Orinoco bitters. If you do not have Orinoco bitters, you can use Boker's bitters. If not, Angostura will work just fine. Once you put in the bitters, we want to move on to the simple syrup. I'm going to pour in 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Just 1/4 ounce. This is a 1-to-1 ratio simple syrup. 1 cup of water to 1 cup of sugar, and you're good to go. Now to the spirits of the cocktail, I'm going to pour another 1/4 ounce. I'm going to pour this maraschino liqueur. I'm using Luxardo. You can use the maraschino of your choice. 1/4 ounce. Last but not least, the main spirit of the cocktail is rye whiskey. Today I am using Rittenhouse Rye, and why not? It's really, really good for the money. Excellent rye whiskey. We're going to pour in 2 full ounces. 2 full ounces of rye whiskey. And that's all the ingredients of the cocktail. We're going to get some ice in the glass and give it a stir. You want to stir this until the bottom of the glass feels nice and cold on your hand. That way you know the cocktail is not only cold but also meets the proper dilution. All right, that should do it. Let's get our glass back up here. Remember, we prep the glass with the absinthe wash. I'm going to set in my rock of ice, grab my strainer and give it a pour. And there you have it. That's the Improved Whiskey Cocktail. No garnish necessary. If you want to put an orange peel in, you can. More power to you, but as far as I'm concerned, cocktail really doesn't need a garnish. That is very, very good. Man, I love that. This has to rank now one of my top 3 whiskey cocktails. It really does. It's just really, really good. You just get a little bit of hit of that absinthe, a little bit of that anise, just a little bit on the back end, not much. The Orinoco bitters, you'd be surprised. If you see that, try to get it. Again, if you don't have it, that's fine. You can hit it up with the Angostura bitters. But this Orinoco bitters really gives it a really neat flavor to it. And then with the maraschino, and especially with the rye whiskey, it's just fantastic. It's just really, really nice cocktail. Give it a try and let me know what you think. As always, we ask you to please drink responsibly. And we'll see you next time right down here with me in the good old Basement Bourbon Bar. See ya.